Now we're going live to find a product for Amazon FBA with a margin of 25% or more. I'll show you step by step, from choosing a niche to calculating profit. The main rule of thumb is to avoid product FDA, brands, and complicated electronics. Let's go. Right off the bat, goods under FDA vitamins, cosmetics, require tests and certificates. Famous brands sold at such prices due to the well-known brands. Electronics, complex goods, they require warranty service and software support and so on. If we need simple goods without unnecessary risks, household goods or pet accessories. Let's check out today's deals on Amazon. Sea pillows for $45 on Amazon. On Alibaba, similarly, is $7 a piece. Purchase price is $14 for 2 pieces. Let's calculate it in revenue calculator. Selling price, $45. Expenses, 14 merchandise plus 9.40, FBA plus 5 shipping and customs. Conclusion, margin of only 16% is a weak option. Moving on. Look at this mat for $19 on Amazon. On Alibaba, it is $2.5 per. Wholesale, from 1,000 pieces. Let's do the math. Purchase price is $2.5 plus $2 shipping and customs. We have met cost about $4.5. So our profit is 19 minus 4.5 minus 5 FBA equals $9.5 with a 40% margin. Conclusion, no certifications, low returns, a great choice. These pants are $20 on Amazon. If you buy 500 for $6, the margin will be about 24%. But if you buy 3,000 PCs at $4, margin rises to 35%. Conclusion, the higher the volume, the higher the profit. But you need a budget. Remember the 5 rules. Avoid the FDA, brands, electronics. The ideal price tag on Amazon is $20.50. Look for margins of 25% or more after all costs. Check seasonality and competition. Always use revenue calculator. If you found this video useful, thumbs up. In the next video, let's break down how to negotiate a discount with a supplier. Subscribe and do not miss the next video.